are a great way to attract local and migrating birds to your yard. Here's how to make a simple one that will delight your feathered friends. To get started, put plastic down and pour sand on top. Make a domed pile of sand to help the leaf hold its shape. If need be, add a little water to help the sand keep its shape. Birds do not like boughs that are more than a couple of inches deep, so this will be a shallow dome. Place the leaf on the sand dome and cut the stem at the base of the leaf. Then rub vegetable oil on the veiny side of the leaf. This will help it come off the hardened concrete smoothly. I recommend a rhubarb or burdock leaf, but if those aren't available, a house plant like the elephant ear works well. Now it's time to make the concrete. Pour the concrete in a mixing tray and slowly add water until it's the consistency of brownie mix. You can use a variety of different concrete and cement mixes. Next, scoop the concrete onto the leaf, then smooth it out until it's covered, stopping at the edge. If need be, run your finger along the edge to hone in on the leaf shape. For added stability, cut some chicken wire in the shape of a leaf. Put it on the already placed concrete, then cover it with another layer of concrete. Optional, but recommended. Create an extended flat base on the center of the leaf. This will act as a slight pedestal and will help keep the bath basin in place. Once done, allow it to dry for about 48 hours. Once it's dried, take it off the sand and turn it over, then pull the leaf off. Let this cure for a week before painting or adding a sealant. Paint the leaf with a thin wash of a non-toxic paint so the intricate details of the leaf show. Continue to add coats of paint until you reach your desired color. It dries fairly instantly. Next, use a non-toxic sealant that will be safe for birds. To use, pour a small amount directly onto the leaf and rub it in the entire bird bath with a rag or sponge brush. By covering the entire bird bath, it will be protected by the elements and will have a longer lifespan. Wait 30 days before adding water to the bird bath. This will help the sealant cure and maintain a longer lifespan for the bird bath. I know, it's a long time to wait, but you can do it. I believe in you.